of it all. Okay. Okay, ready? I think we're ready. Oh, kind of. Emily's making some noise and Tyler's kind of ready. Oh wait, I don't think you can see Tyler in this. Who cares about me? It's about Tyler. Can you see him? Let's see if you can. Is that gonna work? Kind of. Okay, I think that might work. I'll scoot over this way some. Ready, Tyler? Here we go. This is my monkey voice. You have to talk like a monkey, Tyler. Cause I took the monkey for a ride in the air. The monkey thought that everything was on the square. Was I tried to throw the monkey off of his back. Listen, Jack, you better straighten up and fly right. Look, he's telling you. Straighten up and stay right. Do do do. Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top. Diving. What's the use in diving? Straighten up and fly right. Can you dance? Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top. So told the monkey you are choking me. Release your hold and I will set you free. The monkey tried dead in the eyes. And your story's so touching, but it sounds just like a lie. Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and stay right. Do do do, tell him it. And fly right. Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top. It's time to dance. Dance with the monkey. Shake your monkey tail. Woo! Emily, monkey. Be gentle, be gentle. She wants to eat the monkey. Hug the monkey. Aww. 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 Gentle. Here we go. Comes the song again. Ready? Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and stay right. I forgot to be a monkey. Straighten up and fly right. Woo! Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top. Ain't no use in driving. Ain't no good in driving. Do do do. Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top. Fly right. Okay, and now, let's see if I can get the Mr. Puppet. Can we get Mr. Calendar? Where's Mr. Calendar Puppet? Over there. I don't know if I can get the camera to obey what I want it to do. Obey, camera. Okay, I have an idea of when I can be seen. Okay, Emily will help with the puppet people today as we sing, and I'm still sick, as we sing our calendar song. This is Mr. Puppet. Just a pot holder. That's okay. Okay, Emily wants to cry as we sing our song. Ready, Tyler? Ready? Hello, Tyler. All my puppets sound the same. Hello, Tyler. I am Mr. Puppet. Have you been a good boy today? Okay, here's Mr. Puppet, and then... Can you guess who this is? This is Mrs. Puppet. Hi, Tyler. Are you being good today? What are you doing today? Are you ready to sing the song? Okay, now this normally is not done with a baby in your hand. Probably shouldn't be done with a baby in your hand. Okay. I'll just turn on my back to my hand so that way it's... Okay, that's a good idea, Julie. Okay, ready? Let's sing our song. Ready? It's the Days of the Week song.
Ready to sing, Tyler? I want to hear you sing. Ready?
There are 7 days.
There are 7 days. Wait, I didn't do that right.
There are 7 days.
There are 7 days.
There are 7 days in a week.
Sunday, Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Friday.
Saturday.
What day is today?
Well, yesterday was Thursday, July 12th.
Sunday, Monday. I normally point. Sunday, Monday. Okay, Thursday, July 12th. So today is really hard to do with a baby.
Friday,
The 13th. I forgot it was Friday the 13th. I didn't know it was Friday the 13th. Not that it matters, but it's Friday the 13th. Yay. Okay, Tyler, it's time to say goodbye to the puppets. Say bye. Okay, he's kissing the puppets. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. Back, Mr. Puppet. I have to feed your sister now, so, cut transmission.